Hi, I'm Mercia. I'm from the Gold Coast. I just wanted to share my story with you. I attended the Reset and Shine 3-day event. A friend of mine had given me a free ticket and invited me along, and I went. And that was the start of my new life. I came from a really abusive background. My father was extremely abusive as a child. We had verbal, physical, mental, whatever abuse. The only thing that we didn't have was sexual abuse, which I'm very thankful for. But apart from that, it was extremely traumatic. And we left under police protection when I was 14 years old. And he still managed to find us and threaten to come and kill us if we didn't return home, which we didn't do, thank goodness. I was 19 years old when I married to what I thought was a really lovely man, only to find out that we dated for 3 years, but after that, the night of the wedding, things changed. He was this lovely person, but once we actually signed on the dotted line, my life changed. My father was very overt, so he was very aggressive and so on, but my husband was actually very covert. So did everything behind closed doors. Everyone saw this amazing man, but there was nothing I could explain because they all thought she must be the problem. But anyway, I thought he was different, but I ended up marrying an abusive man again and managed to stay in the relationship for 34 years, but it nearly destroyed me. And eventually got out because of his infidelity and him blaming me for everything. Everything was turned back onto me. And I did not know who I was. I tried over the 34 years to change because I was told that I was wrong. So I needed to change who I was. And when I met Fiona and Sandra, I honestly didn't know who I was. I had spent the last 5 years going through a divorce, the financial separations, and they were awful. They were extremely abusive, and trying thereafter to find out who I was really difficult. In that process, from about 2005, I started going for psychology, and they helped. They allowed me to feel understood, but they never gave me answers. So I never quite knew, how do you actually overcome this? How do you find yourself? How do you change, and how do you increase your self-image and your self-worth? I had no idea how to do that, but I did get the understanding from the psychologist. During the marriage breakup, I also started seeing a counselor because I didn't feel like psychology was enough. And he was amazing. He introduced me to my child me, and so I got to understand all of that about what I went through as a child and what happened to my child me. But I never got to find out how to transform. So once again, I got all the information, and I never got the reality of, this is what it is, but this is how you can change it. And when I attended the conference with Sandra and Fiona, I was still like, what is this conference going to get me? I'll go because my friend invited me, but I'm not sure. When I sat there in the 3 days, I was really intrigued. Can my life be like they are saying? And I was desperate. I was absolutely desperate for transformation. I needed this to change. I can't go on this anymore. Internally, I was lost. I was broken. I was so hurt, but I was scared. I didn't know who to believe, who to trust, who to rely on, because no one had given me the right answers. At the end of the conference, I was this hungry child that just wanted the food. And I managed to get onto the Shine program, and it was phenomenal. In the beginning, you go through the hard stuff, the past stuff, but you remember it, you touch on it, you go through the process of what it was and how it affected you and all that jazz. But the transformation of that was the thing that really just threw my life in a different orbit. The understanding, the information, but the know-how, the transforming of how on earth do I take all of this and become a new me? I 100% put my trust in the program and in Fiona and Sandra. And I just gave it my everything. If they said it, I did it. And I did it to the best of my ability within my time frame. I could feel things shifting within inside of me. And it felt weird because I'd never felt that before. The shifting was kind, and the shifting was loving, and the shifting was happy. It was safe. It was amazing. It was something I'd never experienced before. And so that encouraged me to keep going. That encouraged me to dig further and see it through. And as you go through it, I just found the first part of it was like the deep, dark secrets, if I can use that, of the past. Then you go into the next phases of who you are. And then you go into the next phases of what you're going to become. And the stepping of it, I really feel like Fiona's had the right aspect of and the right growth path of how to do it, because it was something that you do the past stuff and you can, not that you pack it away because you still have the memories of it, but the hurt dies down and the transformation and the forgiveness comes into play. And then because you've done that, you can then start healing and finding out who you are and standing firm on who you are and building you again, build me and my self-worth. And by joining those two together actually helps heal the past as well. Then once that all happens and the healing starts manifesting in my life, I then found that working on where I'm going from there was, I felt like I was taking off in a plane. I felt like the runway was the really hard part of the past. And then you start lifting, and that was the who I am and what I am and what I look like and so on. By the way, I can actually now stand in the mirror, whereas I could never do that before the 3 months. But I can stand in the mirror and go, I actually like everything about me. I've got these really wobbly, like chunky legs, and I actually like him now. And I've never liked him in my life before. So that was really exciting for me. But then the transforming, and I just feel like my life, I have hope. I can feel new beginnings. I feel excitement for the future and what it holds. And I can see and bring it into being now. What I want for my life, the good things, I always had before, I would love that, but I would wish this, I could have this, but now there's no buts. I want that and it's coming my way. I'm allowing the space and the creativity of it all. And I'm really excited about that. My life on the course, the Shine program has changed radically. Anybody that is thinking of doing it, I would recommend it. I would encourage you, if you are contemplating it, jump into it because your life will transform, your life will change. And people around me are seeing it. People are seeing the difference. And I can feel the difference. I'm so much more forgiving to people. I am so much more approachable with people now. We all have our backstory. I get that we all have been hurt. When people have bad days, I understand that now. I don't take offense anymore. It's not personal. They're just having a bad day. And I'll pray for them, or I will encourage them, hand on the shoulder. It's okay. We don't have to do this now. We can do it later. It's okay. Whereas before it wasn't. I used to get offended. I used to take it personally, and it was a big deal. And all of those little fires, all of those little unnecessary agitations in my life, they disappeared. And I feel like the rivers are running smoothly. To anybody out there who's thinking about it, do yourself a favor, spoil yourself and do the course. You'll never, ever regret it.